Question number 1. According to the World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and options are financial well-being, social well-being, spiritual well-being, personal well-being. The correct option is social well-being. The WHO officially included in the health physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Question number 2. Which of the following is not mentioned as a component of a balanced nutritional diet? Options are carbohydrate, proteins, fast food, vitamins. Correct option is fast food. Question number 3. According to the section on health habits, what should you say no to because they harm the body and mind? Options are fruits and vegetables, smoking, alcohol and drugs, regular meal times, hand washing. Correct option is smoking, alcohol and drugs. Question number 4. How many hours of sleep are recommended daily to help the body and mind rest and recover? Options are 4 to 5 hours, option B 10 to 12 hours, option C 7 to 8 hours, option D 2 to 3 hours. Correct option is 7 to 8 hours. Question number 5. To maintain good community health, what should be done with drains? Option A, they should be left open. Option B, they should be kept covered. Option C, they should be filled with garbage. Option D, they should be ignored. Correct option is they should be kept covered. Question number 6. What is defined as a malfunction of some part of the body that impairs function and manifests through symptoms? Option A, exercise. Option B, hygiene. Option C, disease. Option D, nutrition. Correct option is disease. Question number 7. Which of these is a symptom of a disease mentioned in the text? Option A, feeling energetic. Option B, clear skin. Option C, headache or fever. Option D, improved appetite. Correct option is C, headache or fever. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of a non-communicable disease? Option A, common cold. Option B, malaria. Option C, diabetes. Option D, typhoid. Correct option is C, diabetes. Question number 9. What are the microscopic organisms that causes disease in humans, animals or plant cells? Options are carriers, pathogens, vectors, parasites. Correct option is pathogens. Question number 10. How is malaria primarily spread to humans? Options are through contaminated water, by the bite of a female Anopheles mosquito, through direct skin contact, by coughing and sneezing. Correct option is B, by the bite of a female Anopheles mosquito. Question number 11. Which type of disease is caused by a deficiency of nutrients or malfunctioning of organs? Options are communicable diseases, infectious diseases, non-communicable diseases, viral diseases. Correct option is C, non-communicable diseases. Question number 12. Insects like houseflies that carry disease-causing germs from one place to another are known as. Options are parasites, viruses, carriers or vectors. D, fungi. Correct option is C, carriers or we call them vectors. Question number 13. Which of these is a disease caused by a virus? Options are tuberculosis, amoebic dysentery, COVID-19, ringworm. Correct option is C, COVID-19. Number 14. Which of the following disease is caused by a protozoa? Options are tuberculosis, malaria, chickenpox, hepatitis A. Correct option is malaria. Question number 15. Tuberculosis and typhoid are examples of diseases caused by. Options are virus, fungi, bacteria, worms. Correct option C, bacteria. Number 16. Which of these is a key method for preventing diseases like malaria and dengue? Options are drinking only boiled water. Option B, destroying the breeding grounds of mosquito. Option C, avoiding direct contact with the skin rashes. Option D, using BCG vaccination. Correct option is B, destroying the breeding grounds of mosquitoes. Question number 17. If a patient shows symptoms of jaundice, means yellow skin and white of eyes, which organ is likely affected? Options are lungs, skin, heart, liver. Correct option is liver. Jaundice is a condition where the skin and the whites of the eye turn yellow due to high level of bilirubin in the blood. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment produced when old RBCs are broken down. When the liver is damaged or diseased, it no longer processes bilirubin effectively. This causes the pigment to build up in the body's tissue, which result in yellow discoloration characteristics of jaundice. Question 18. Common cold and influenza are primarily transmitted through which system? Options are digestive system, respiratory tract, nervous system, circulatory system. Correct option is respiratory tract. Question number 19. What is the process of inoculating a harmless variety of a microbe into the body to boost immunity called? Options are sterilization, fumigation, vaccination, incubation. Correct option is vaccination. I have already explained about the vaccination and how does it works in the previous chapters. Question number 20. Persistent cough and chest pain are characteristic symptom of? Options are measles, chickenpox, tuberculosis and hepatitis. Correct option is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection that primarily affect the lungs. Question number 21. Which of the following disease is transmitted by the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito? Options are typhoid, malaria, cholera, ascariasis. Correct option is malaria. Question number 22. According to the text, which organ or part of the body is primarily affected by the typhoid bacteria? Options are lungs, blood, intestine, muscles. Correct option is intestine. Typhoid is a kind of fever which is caused by Salmonella typhi, and it occurs when a person consumes contaminated water or food. The bacteria enters the intestine or the digestive system and primarily affect the small intestine and where they multiply. Question number 23. Excessive thirst, high blood sugar and slow healing of wounds are common symptoms of which non-communicable disease? Options are obesity, hypertension, malaria, diabetes. Correct option is diabetes. Diabetes is a condition when blood glucose level is too high because our body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't use it effectively. And then person develops the symptoms like excessive thirst, high blood sugar level and slow wound healing. And it is a non-communicable disease. Question number 24. What is defined as natural capacity of the body to defend against diseases? Options are immunity, vaccination, hygiene, nutrition. Correct option, immunity. Immunity is a complex biological system that enables the body to recognize and neutralize harmful pathogens such as bacteria and viruses, whereas vaccination helps to build up the immunity, that is natural capacity. Number 25. Which of these is a preventive measure for diseases transmitted by insects such as dengue? Option A, drinking boiled water. Option B, using mosquito nets and repellents. Option C, maintaining personal hygiene. Option D, regular exercise. Correct option is option B, using mosquito nets and repellents.